Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Redmi mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Redmi mobile guys gesture navigation setting, how to turn on and how to use gesture navigation in Redmi mobile. Friends, you want to use Redmi mobile phone gesture settings, by how to use gesture settings one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel and click the bell icon. Open your phone setting. After phone setting then scroll it and friends click here home screen setting. After home screen setting friends you can see home screen mode. Friends, you want to change Redmi mobile phone home screen classic mode, app driver mode. So friends, left side is classic mode and right side is app driver mode, and you can use app driver mode setting from right side. And you want to use classic mode, so friends click here left side and you can set classic mode. Second option friends, click here system navigation setting. After system navigation setting friends, right side gesture setting and left side button navigation. So friends, click here right side gesture settings, and friends you can use Redmi mobile phone gesture settings from here. After on friends gesture setting, three button navigation friends, we cannot use three button navigation, will not show on screen. And friends, how to use gesture setting friends, you can see go to home screen. You want to go to home screen, you can swipe here, and friends again if you hold here, so you can check recent app, go back. So friends, left side swipe here, you can use back button, and right side if you swipe, so friends you can use back button. And friends, if you own friends any app, example friends you own YouTube and you want to close YouTube app, so friends you don't have three button navigation, so friends hold here and friends you can remove your recent app. So like that friends, we can use gesture settings, right side and left side you can use back button in your Redmi mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.